What's the meaning of allot? Allot. 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 Allot.
The verb allot means to give or distribute a portion of something to someone or something else. This is often done in a deliberate or planned manner, with the goal of dividing up resources or responsibilities fairly and efficiently. When something is allotted, it is typically assigned to a particular person or group, with clear expectations about how it will be used or managed. Depending on the context, allotment can refer to anything from assigning tasks to employees, to distributing supplies to disaster victims, to divvying up shares of a company's profits among shareholders.